Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Sephora Play. If you'd like to see what I received, stay tuned. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with Sephora Play, it is a $10 monthly subscription makeup box put out by Sephora. And what you would do is fill out a profile, and from there they'll send you things closely as they can to what your requests are. So stay tuned. And this is for the month of February. And it has a 50 insider point card there that I usually take with me to either Sephora or their go online. So that's a good plus as well for the $10 subscription box. And let's see, since it's all about hearts, mix your love potion, it says. And it looks like we have Clinique Line for Success. It's an eyeliner. Mad About You Estee Lauder. It looks like it's a double wear stay in place foundation in 7W1 Deep Spice. I don't know if that'll work for me or not, but we'll certainly try it and see. Serve Up the Softness by Caudalie. This is a moisturizing sorbet. And Heart of Gold, the Wander Under Eye Gold mask for the under eye. I got those. I haven't tried them yet, but I had one in the other makeup box. And Mask for Your Dreams. This is a glow recipe watermelon mask, which are very good. Those water masks that you put on at night, very good, very hydrating. And an extra this month, A Little Love Note by Stella McCartney. So let's get in here and see what we got. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I do monthly subscription boxes once a month, one from Sephora Play, one from Ipsy, and the other is from BoxyCharm. So it's always something going on once a month on this channel. So let's see what we have here. Here is the watermelon glow recipe, watermelon glow sleeping mask. I got one of these last month. I believe it was in the Sephora Play, and it was by Laneige. Not really a heavy-duty scent. It's got a little film over it. Let's see if I can get that off. Let's see here. Yeah, watermelon. That's what it looks like, guys. Can't wait to try that out. And let's see. Next. Oh, and they all come in this biodegradable plastic bag. They used to have cloth bags, but now they're doing them in this type of a bag. I don't mind the bags, but if you could maybe do a different color, you know, something like that, Sephora. Next is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And we have your shade. Okay. I don't know if this is going to be my shade. Let's see. It's Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Tint Dull. And let me see. 7W1 Deep Spice. It's a pretty nice size. I don't think this one's going to work. Let me shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. And let's see here. I don't know. Let me get a little bit and try it on the back of my hand here. Oh, it might work. Yeah, it might work after it dries down. See what we got. Let it dry down a little bit. Back of my hand. We'll see. We'll see. And let's see here. The Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Aha. I haven't tried these yet. I'm not too big on the mask, but I'm going to have to try it. They say it's pretty good. They're individually packaged gold foil eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to skin, and the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines. Maybe I better try this. And wrinkles, fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil offers a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. So I'm starting to use some aloe vera juice spritz on my natural hair. So I heard it's good for inside and out. So I'm going to try those. Good deal, Sephora. Here's the Stella McCarthy cologne. So let's see what this is like. I like the spray bottles. I'm not too crazy about those roll-on deals because sometimes they don't work. So let's see here. Not bad. Not bad for a sample, I guess. I'll try it. Let it hang out there. It smells like it's got some roses in it. Not too crazy about rose scent stuff. The first fragrance by Stella McCartney, inspired by the fragile beauty of a rose. I thought I smelled rose. Contrasted by sensual amber. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We'll keep that in mind to try out. And that was the beauty bonus. Clinique's Quick Line for Eyes Intensive Eyeliner. I have one of these already. They're really good. I like them. Yep, I'm using one already that's just like this. So can never have too many eyeliners, liquid eyeliners. Let's see what the tip looks like. Actually, this is not a liquid eyeliner. It's a pencil. So, okay, not too crazy about the pencils, but, you know, never know. So, it winds up, but it does not wind down, so be careful of that. Don't want to break this puppy. And last but not least, the Caudalie Moisturizing Sorbet. And we'll see what this looks like. Oh, there it is. Doesn't have a smell to it, which is good. Moisturizing sorbet. This brand usually is for the face, so I'm going to assume, yeah, apply morning and evening to face and neck, either by itself or after your serum. So yeah, that's good. I like a good face moisturizer. Okay, so that's it. I think I'm going to be able to wear this. It's going to dry down to look just like my skin. So that's good. So, good deal. Thank you very much for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And this is in 7W1, which is a deep spice. Like that. And the Clinique eyeliner for your eyes. Supposed to be intense, so that's going to be something to really look out for. See how intense it is, right? And this is going to be good. The watermelon hyaluronic acid, what is it? Sleeping mask. Can't wait to try that out. The Wonder Mask for under the eyes. And the Stella McCarthy. Stella, is it Stella McCarthy? Stella McCarthy. Stella McCarthy sample, which was a gift or a bonus. Alrighty, I think we are done here. 3, 4, 5 items. And I think I'm going to try them all out. A couple of new things and a few oldies. But thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you real soon. If you enjoyed the unboxing, please stay tuned next month for another unboxing. Have a great weekend. Bye.